It's been great run for the youth center. You know, money stays here, chefs come here and show to all of you great food, and you can visit their restaurants, of course. I spend some of my money now in their restaurant because I like the food. You know, I'm very happy that Bogdan and his wife Anya, who's sitting right there, let's give her a little round of applause. But you know, Bogdan and Anya, newcomers to Lake Placid, from Poland with love. You know, we used to say from Russia with love, but we use this for Poland today. Oh, here we go. He is from Russia with love. This is Russian bobsled team here. You late. That's, by the way, the second appearance. But what's cool about Bogdan and Anya, you know, they came from Poland, but they love American barbecue food, which is really cool, with Polish twist. So if you've never been at Redneck Bistro, they have specials that are very authentic of the homeland, and Bogdan will show you today, and you will taste, of course, stuffed cabbage there. I love it. And, you know, it's a great food, but when you come out from here, make sure you go visit to the restaurant. It's right here on West Valley Road. If some of you never been there, you know, come in. Oh, here is Russian bobsled team. Come in. So, and they like stuffed cabbage also. And actually, Olga and Sergey, they are going to work in Sochi Olympic Games. He's the chief officials for the Sochi Olympic Games. So let's give a round of applause. Sergey also. Sergey is one of the officials. As you can see, they have tall men and in Poland. So anyhow, again, thank you very much. Of course, money stays at the youth center. As some of you does know, John Fremont is the director of the youth center. He's been running the ship smoothly for the last 10 years.
10 years, 5 months, and 10 years.
I have to Is he counting for his retirement? He said we're gonna give him big package. Wrong.
You know what? It's going to be the name on top of the door right there because it's John Tremonte Hall. That's what it's going to be.
We'll be right here.
Yeah, I'll be right there.
Written in pencil.
Yes.
So, you know, I'm gonna turn again to Bogdan and Anya, thank them for coming. Paul always thank all our sponsors. I want to mention Teresa from Hannaford, who's been here for the last 20 years. And, of course, WSOP that Paul worked.